Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Rashtram One Nation Matters, and today on the occasion of World Photography Day, I'm over here in Vadodara city where there's an exhibition. Every year there's an exhibition called Click that the photojournalists of the city they organize it, and today I am here at the spot. We will be talking to a super senior photojournalist, Mr. Chandan Giri, who is known for his amazing photographs that have a lot of meaning and a story to tell in each of his photographs. So I have been joined by Mr. Chandagiri. Thank you so much, sir, for being a part of us this afternoon. And let me give you a small introduction of sir. He has spent more than 35 years into this field, and he is one of the most renowned photojournalists that the state has. So, sir, we just go on a tour.
Sure, sure.
All right, come on. So, I think these are all the pictures that have been clicked during the monsoon, if I'm
Yes.
not wrong.
Monsoon as well as during COVID.
Right.
During COVID, these all pictures have been taken by Ashwin Rajput.
Okay.
He's a photographer from Times. He's working over there as a photojournalist, and he has near about 20 years experience in this field.
Right. So, what is the main essence of the World Photography or the World Photo Day, and how important is it for everyone?
Yes. Thing is, this case, near about 200 years back, two French photographers, they invented the photo. And the 19th of the August has been declared as a World Photography Day on their name.
Okay.
So that was the only thing.
Right. So, which one from all of these six pictures is one of the photograph that you think tells a story? I think every picture over here tells
Every
a story.
picture tells its own story.
Yeah, but one, if you would say that this is the one, that is putting an impact on people.
You know, all these photographers, what they try to do, they collect most of the events in a year and try to scrutinize the selections and bring it to six, not more than that.
Right.
So they get a chance for all the events, not only particular things,
Right.
but not all the events. Like they capture rain, they capture human emotions.
This one that we see.
This is rain as well as human emotions.
Right.
This is like a beggars. What they are doing, they have also time for the enjoyment.
Mm.
They enjoy the rain. Similarly, it has a rain in the backdrop of palace
Yeah.
gate. It also gives an impact. So these are the things. And secondly, if you see, this is also taken from the palace
Yes.
premises only. This bull is okay, but the peacock,
On top of it,
yes,
it tells
it gives
the
a
story.
different. That's it.
Now, sir, one question that we, all of us have is that all of these pictures that we see, each one of them,
Yes.
they have been captured by photojournalists like you on
Yes.
their DSLR or say big nice cameras.
Yes.
And these days we've all come to or reached to a point where people, they just need a phone.
Yes.
And they capture photographs with their phone.
Yes.
Now there are pros and cons to it. There are something which is good about it, something which is bad about it. Somewhere or the other, we are losing the major sense of it. So, and people, see, another important thing is even in media, now the trend is that people record with their phones and they put it on the news. So, in one way, it is good, but on the contrary, the main, the reason why media is known for is its cameras, and we're all coming down to phones. So, do you think?
No, most of our photographers, photojournalists even, they also continuing with the phones.
Right.
And I think near about not to 100%, but the 20% of the camera has been replaced by the phones now.
Right. Which is a
Because-
good thing?
Huh?
Is that a good thing?
It's a good thing, not a bad thing.
Right.
Because earlier what used to happen, cameras are so expensive. Everybody
Yeah.
cannot afford.
Yeah.
Now, having the phones with the camera, they have the opportunity to click the photograph even.
And record
the
anything that they
yes,
want.
and phone cameras are doing very good
Right.
nowadays. But actually, they lack of the vision.
Lack of the vision.
Lack of the vision. Because most of the things in news also, what I see, people used to click or shoot the videos with their phones, but they took vertically, not horizontally,
Yeah.
which is not suitable for the media at all. So these are the lackness which they should know.
Right.
The training has to be required.
Now, sir, all of these 6 pictures that we see,
Yes.
I think all of them, like we just discussed, they have a story behind
Yes.
them. Now, this picture in particular,
Yes.
where a constable is carrying his senior on his
Definitely.
shoulders.
This is the picture taken by Bhupendra Rana.
Right.
He's working with the Indian Express.
Indian Express.
Yes, it was taken I think in the 2004, 2006 I think,
Okay.
2006 flights. What had happened at that time, this man he's on the top of, on the shoulders of the constable.
Yes.
He was suspended after getting this thing printed.
Oh.
He got suspended from this thing. How he can do like this,
That is.
sitting on a shoulders of a constable?
Yeah.
It's not a part of the policeman to do like this.
Right.
So he was suspended at that time. So these are the things. Bhupendra Rana does very good things. Like you see these pictures.
This one.
Ah,
It's an emotional
yes,
one.
emotion and storytelling.
Yeah.
Because the government say, okay, stop child labor, start education, but where
Yeah.
is the education? Still they continue with the labor. All these things.
Right. Even this picture, I think it,
Yes.
it tells a story about the
He
COVID.
has an idea of like that. The man dies and the soul goes, and it's going in the form of this pigeon. He has
Very
this.
deep, I think. Super deep.
Ah,
These pictures are clicked by?
this is clicked by Mr. Bharat
Bharat
Parekh.
Parekh, okay.
Yes. He's a photographer. Earlier he was Divya Bhaskar.
Right.
Now he has joined the Gujarat Mitra.
Right.
So these are the just, you can say, memorable shots.
Yeah. This is
Memories
from
he
the
has
Kite
recorded.
Festival, I guess.
These are the
Right.
memories he has recorded. And this is during the Corona time.
Yeah, this is during
Ah.
the curfew that we
Yes.
had.
Not only all the people, forces too, they are having that mask and all. They are going for this.
Right.
So in the whole, you take it. Every photographer try to do something different than others.
Right.
You see this photograph.
Uh-huh.
Uh,
Yeah, he's sleeping
yeah,
underneath
he's sleeping
this.
under the God. He has the blessing of the God.
Right. That's true. All the pictures are very, very beautiful, I should say. These are your pictures, sir.
Yes, these are my
Now
pictures.
let's listen to the stories.
These are my pictures.
Okay.
Total, we have 6 pictures.
Okay.
4 I have gone with COVID. These were the COVID first round.
This.
Yes,
Okay.
these 4 pictures.
Yeah.
This was taken during the first round of the COVID.
Okay.
So all these things, even police people, who contributed lot. They are the Corona warriors actually. They contributed lot. But during this COVID time, they couldn't have an opportunity to get sanitized themselves.
Right.
So these pictures shows how relaxed they are after getting sanitized. That feel, I always say that a human touch should be there in my photograph. I continue like this. You see this picture.
This one's very emotional.
Yes. Whole in the lockdown, whole road was empty, no traffic was there, and they have the full liberty to sleep in the middle of the road. And this picture was taken for the students,
Okay.
students from out of the state.
Yes.
When they heard about these things, COVID, they were feeling very eager to go to their states.
Yeah.
And that expressions I covered it.
Very true.
Similarly, like this,
They're distributing masks, I
Yes.
see, in the train.
mask means you just understand the hands.
Yeah.
It has a value of the hands
Uh-huh.
because they are like begging it.
True. True.
Such a scenario was there at that time.
True.
So similarly, like these photographs,
Uh-huh.
this is actually last year photograph.
Okay.
This was taken during this vintage cars
Yes,
exhibition.
that the royal family hosted.
Yes, yes, yes. what it happened, these vintage car means old one, and that historical building is also old one.
Of course.
So I converted into black and white
Okay.
to show that time.
Right.
That is the thing. Similarly, this also,
Okay.
this is
This was
taken with
taken.
huh?
Where was this taken?
This was taken in Harni,
Harni.
Air Force Station.
Right.
They have the air show at that.
Yes, yes, yes. got
Like
it.
this.
So these
He is
photos
Mr.
are-
Jignesh Joshi.
Joshi, okay.
He's working with the Sandesh.
Okay. So what is this? Oh wow, I think
Yes.
this has a story to
Yes.
say.
You know that you won't find nowadays bioscope.
Yes.
Bioscopes are rarely found nowadays. So old people and old things watching together, that gives the impact, you know.
Beautiful.
And
I
this
think-
is a labor
Okay.
who is 90% in the water, drainage lane.
Oh God,
Is
okay.
cleaning it up. So such a we don't other people generally ignore these things, but he has tried to capture these things. How, what is the life of this man who continue with this cleaning and all.
Mm.
So whole thing is this: ki our photojournalists they try to bring all the moods, you know, of the politicians, of these general festivals.
These are both beautiful
Yes.
pictures. Rahul Gandhi.
Yes, even that cremation also.
Right. The cremation of Swamiji. This is
Yes.
a beautiful picture. This is, I think, near the RC Dutt Road? Or this some other
Yes,
location?
yes, yes.
Right. This is again very nice. I think all of these pictures are telling a story in itself. When you look at each one of them, you know, if you happen to come here and you look at each one of them, one thing that I can assure you is that you are going to get the whole story through just one picture that you watch over here. These are pictures by Kamlesh.
These are pictures by
Surve.
Kamlesh Surve.
Right.
He is working with the Times,
Okay.
Times of India.
Uh-huh.
So you know these pictures also you see these three are the three stages. You know, one is looking, then starting walk,
walking.
then walk is left.
Left. Oh God. Okay.
Series sort of a thing.
Very
Then you see these things. This is over. That is beginning.
Okay.
You see that green leaves.
Ha, ha,
That is
ha.
a beginning. This is over.
Okay, and then they're cutting it.
Yeah, then we are there. Cutting.
Okay. This is the
And this is the
beauty of
Sursagar
the
Highway.
city. Yes.
And you see the photographer's eye, the full moon, and bringing the
Half.
yes crescent of the moon. Like this, yes, composed like this.
Right.
And this is open bath, you know.
Yeah, it's a kid enjoying the bath. It seems nice. This is Mr. Keyur Bhatia's.
Ye Keyur Bhatia's
Lok Sabha. They are all beautiful as
You
well.
see how the rest.
Under the tree, but somewhere
Under
it's
the tree.
just a
Yes.
picture. Nice.
He is getting a feel of that tree.
I get it. I think this one is saying something that's written on the banner.
Yes.
कुछ दिनों के लिए I don't understand Hindi so
Yes.
much.
कुछ दिनों के लिए एकांतवादी हो जाए.
Okay.
इसमें आपका और सबका भला है.
And the boy is lying
Ah.
there alone.
Yes.
Got it. Very
Because
nice.
this was during the corona he has taken it.
Okay.
So it gives, if the poster is not there, there is no meaning of the
No
picture.
meaning, yes.
Poster gives the whole sense.
Right.
Similarly, these two pictures, you know, this tree,
Yeah.
how he has worked them.
And this is the whole reflection.
Yes, reflection,
Got it.
that overflown, that
Area.
water.
of the
Yes.
room. Got it. This is again by him, I guess.
Yes.
Yes.
This is also Keyur Bhatia.
It's a dead crocodile.
Yes, it's a dead crocodile. But you see that feeling, you know, of a man.
Is praying?
Or that feel, you know,
Okay.
feel about the crocodile. Because in our philosophy, we pray crocodile as a god. one of
Yes,
the
we
gods.
do.
So he's praying it.
Right.
Despite it's a dead body, but still he's praying for
praying.
the vessel. And these are, you see, all these pictures,
Yeah.
small, they are the political leaders.
Okay.
independent who fought for the independence of the country. All these small ones, it belongs to different people, like Subhash Chandra, like this Gandhi,
Got it.
all
Oh,
these.
this is beautiful. Nice.
He's
It's
Kirti
Kirti
Pandya.
Pandya, yes, he's a renowned
Huh.
journalist.
He's working with the Gujarat Samachar. He's colleague of mine.
Okay. These are all again
Yes.
storytelling.
His main thing is to take the mood, in the sports, as well as he's a good in actions.
Okay.
Yes, he shoot all the action photographs,
Right.
like sports, then this policeman chasing the people,
Right.
then in this bird
Fish.
photography also, yes. He's the
Right.
best in the nature photography.
I'm sure.
You know,
Looks like.
this fish as well as the beak and all this coming together. That gives a sense, look,
Yes.
how he's particular to shoot this thing.
Got it. This is
This
during
is
the
during the
curfew,
COVID.
Yes. No one can forget that, I
Yeah.
think.
So people has forgotten.
Yes.
You know that Sarthi.
Ha.
That is a combination. No?
Got it. So I think it takes a lot of thinking
Yes.
before you take a
To
picture.
make a picture, one has to continue with a lot of the things.
Got it. This is
These
by
all are the aerial
Pranesh Shah.
pictures. Pranesh Shah. He's working with the David Bhaskar.
Okay.
So these are all the aerial shots of the Pavagadh.
Pavaghat.
Yes.
Okay. These are beautiful. Again.
And this is Akota Bridge.
Yes, which is very,
Reflection,
which has
yeah.
become a spot for people
Yes,
to do
yes.
photo shoots. Carrying it.
This is a night shot. He has taken it to Sagar.
For at Sagar, yeah.
Yes, yes.
This is Mr. Ranjit.
He is Ranjit Survey.
Okay.
He is a photojournalist with Gujarat Mitra.
Okay.
So he has a also the same thing.
Okay.
He also concentrate on the reality.
Right.
Who the people may ignore it.
Huh.
People try to ignore those
Ignore
things.
all
Huh?
these things.
You see, this puja in the cremation ground, this sports, how does the feel of that child, looking at the jump?
Right.
Capturing such a moment is a very difficult.
Very difficult. And having a
General-
thought behind
Yes,
capturing
you
it.
see this thing during the COVID, nobody was taking
Skull.
care of the bodies even. They left the bodies like it is.
पेट्रोल डीजल की महंगाई ने आम आदमी को आत्मनिर्भर
Never
बना
bananas.
दिया.
In the backdrop
And
of
this
this Gandhi.
Gandhi
Yes.
ji, okay.
So these are the things which all the photographer try to see, okay, which is the best one, how his picture could be completed. If simply holding this thing, car is not a big thing, but the Gandhiji in back of it, it gives a whole sense.
This is
Similarly, this
yeah.
this is file picture,
Yeah.
but well taken.
Very well taken.
In that you see this crowd total. No doubt it's a cremation, but it doesn't look like a cremation.
Like cremation. I agree. These
These
are
are photographed with Vallabh
These are
Shah.
the most veteran
Yes, he's a
photojournalists
veteran
that we
photographer.
have.
He has also a experience of 35, 40 years. Like
I am sure. This is at Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's
yes, a statue of unity.
yes, Statue of Unity.
Yes. You see
This
this
is a
field,
boy sitting naked. This is
and
beautiful, I think.
that
Two
mother
women.
gold,
Huh. Got it.
all things in a picture is related to one another.
Getting it. This is two women doing it,
Ah,
I
yes.
think.
How isolated they were.
Right.
No people, nothing else. They
No one helping them.
started for selling all the vegetables.
This is again, I think, an
yes.
amazing picture. There were lines. If we take if we take this, we go down the memory lane, it would give goosebumps to each one of us
Exactly.
because we remember these times that we had in
And this is a field of the independence.
Independence Day. Right. Beautiful.
He's a very good photographer.
Right.
And he also tries to capture different moods. realities as well as fantasies, all these.
Right. Now, sir, at the end, as we're getting done with the exhibition and all the pictures that are over here, I think this is something that each youngster who wants to become a photojournalist should take inspiration from. So, what would be your message to them?
Message this day we are celebrating is just for the cause of what efforts a photojournalist take and what results is come to. These are the just results of our effort, what we are doing it. And they should understand a simple photographer and the difference between the simple photographer and the photographer. We peep into all the subjects.
Right.
We take all sort of a risk. Everything in the fire you see, in every aspect, we take hold of the risk. In COVID also, we fought like anything.
I completely agree with that.
So it's not an easy job for a photojournalist, and this is the best opportunity and the stage just to represent ourselves before the people.
Very well, sir. Again, wishing you a very happy
Thank you.
photo day, and I think people take a lot of young photographers who are aspiring to get into photojournalism, would take a lot of inspiration from you. So I guess thank you so much for being here with us once again.
Thank you.
And we are really grateful that we have people like you, photographers like you in the city who
And
inspire.
whole of my team, whole of our team.
Yeah, I'm sure. So, to whole of the team of Vadodara photojournalists, Team Rashtram wishes them all the very best, and we are all very grateful to each one of you that you're bringing out the stories of cities just through one picture. So, to everyone who's watching this show right now and wants to become a photojournalist, I think these people are the ones that you should take all of the inspiration from, because they have been working in this industry for more than 20 years, 30 years, 35 years. So I think they should be your role model. So with this and a lot more that you need to know, make sure that you keep watching Rashtraam, where Nation Matters. Thank you.